My name is Buddy, and this is Crypto for You. To talk about what's going on the Bitcoin chart and get a little update. So today I'm talking to you about where I think we can go, all the way up to here, and then I'm going to talk to you about lots of things today. The RSI, the MACD, a doji, which you probably never heard before. I will give you details. A channel top, a falling wedge, resistance, supports, VPVR, all of those things in this video and more. So all these points that we're gonna go really high in the long term. And this level is where I think we could go in the long term. This is 13,500. So all that and more in this video. So let's get into the video. So if you look at this, you could see that we have these triangles right here. And when we broke out of this channel, which is actually channel top, if you ever heard of a diamond top, it's like a diamond pattern that says we're going to reverse. This is a channel top, which is saying we're going to reverse. And so since we did reverse, we would actually fall somewhere to this price where we started going up or about, which is actually we started going up steeply right here, which is where we fell. We fell to 9,900, and that's a big support. And so we're right now in this channel. If we go to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that we are in this channel that I drew. You can call it channel 2.0 because if you went to a couple, like the first video that I ever did, I was talking about this channel, but it was a little bit smaller, and this one's bigger, better, and newer. And so this is channel 2.0, and it's a better channel. And so I think we could go to here, which is 13,500, the top, because we're right now back inside of this channel, and we hit the bottom, we confirm support. So this is really good that we confirm support because I think we will actually go to the top again, which is 13,500. And if we go back to the smaller time frame, why I was in the smaller time frame was because I wanted to show you more clearance about this. Even though this is smaller, like this is really small and insignificant to may look, I always pay attention to detail. And so you can see that when we fell out of this channel, we had this resistance that we were always keeping, and we were doing a bearish pennant right here, which took us to this bear flag, which took us to here, and I thought this would be another bear pennant. But since we broke out of here, up, I'm like, oh, I think we might be reversing. And this is where the doji comes in, which is, if we go to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that this thing right here, this big thing, which is just practically a wick with just a tiny body, is how you figured it out. Actually, the big wick and a tiny teeny body is how you figured out. This thing, the bigger the wick and the smaller the body, the more significant it is. So this is really significant. And this is like a reversal pattern. It's called a doji, and I actually got this from a book that was recommended by another YouTuber, Alessio Rastani, and you should go check him out. So shout out to Alessio Rastani for this book. Really helpful. And so the picture should be coming up on the screen right now. So you can see that this doji signals a reversal, and that would mean that, you know, we should have a reversal. And the RSI was actually picturing when this moment was, it was at 28. You won't believe it. But 28 is an incredible buy. Incredible. That's like, you have to buy. It's right now. Don't miss this opportunity. 31.9. It's right now it's right now still an incredible buy. You should buy it before it's too late. Because this is an incredible buy. Last time we had an incredible buy was in when? Let's see. Incredible buy. Last time we had an incredible buy was in, let's see, July. When is this time frame? This is July 16th. And after this is right here, this big rally right here, that was an incredible buy. And then we had another incredible buy right here. And so these are really good. This is like this last incredible buy. It went up like, let's see, how much is this? It went up 34% in Bitcoin. An incredible buy. These incredible buys are pretty rare. And the more rare are incredible buys on the daily chart. And on the daily chart, there's also incredible buy. So this is incredible. And so, man, last time we had incredible buy on the daily chart, it was a long time ago. But the MACD, we had this aftermath. I think I call it aftermath. Is when, like, when you get a rubber band and you pull it, it does the same or a little tiny bit less on the other side. And so we see this dip, and then we can have more actually on the other side. And so the MACD, last time we had this as big as this dip was right here, all the way here, which is May 10th. And after that, this dump right here, this was right here, right here, we fell, and then we had this pump of 21%. So we could have the same thing that's going to happen right here. A dump, and then we're going to have a pump of 20 or 30%. And by the way, if we go to where I think we're going to go, which is the top of this channel, and the RSI says it, and the MACD says it, which is going to be 30%. So that's perfect for the MACD and the RSI. Perfect, incredible buy and aftermath for it. And so what another thing says is that you can see that we're having this resistance right here. And this resistance, if we look at this, like I said, we broke out of this triangle. Then we went into this falling wedge. That's why I went to this 30-minute time frame to look at this in more clearance. And look, I pay attention to detail. We're right now breaking out as I speak. This is 9:22 p.m. in Pacific time zone, but we're now breaking out. This is Friday, September 4th, and we're now breaking out. And if we break out of this, I know this is tiny, look insignificant, but this is really significant because it takes us to 10,600, which is a resistance, and it's higher than this resistance, falling resistance. And this falling resistance was having us keep falling. And so if we break this, then we're going to start going into a step ladder pattern, which was in Bitcoin. And so we could go to here, which is 10,600, a resistance, but it's not that significant. So we could just break through it and go to 11,200. And the RSI could be going still up, and we could go, if we break that, to 11,600. So I think we're going to keep breaking it, and we'll go there. And the RSI is done. I think we're going to be going up. So we could go to at least, just say 11,200. This is where I think we will go. This is money right now. And so this is really bullish. The doji, this big reversal candle that's proving that we're going to go up. The downward trending triangle that's going to take us out of this resistance. And this, the RSI, the aftermath, the VPVR, all of these things. The Bollinger Bands, by the way. If we go to the 4-hourly time frame, the Bollinger Bands, closing, reversal. We're going to have a trend reversal right now, guys. And so we're right now flat. The Bollinger Bands is right now flat. It's starting to reverse. And you know what that means? We're having a trend reversal. Yeah! Let's do this. So I think we're going to go really high. There's so much proof, so much stuff that we're going to go high. This is so bullish. I can't even explain how I think we're going to go really high. And if we break out of this channel, by the way, this is already too really long, but if we break out of this channel, there's like VPVR, not that much support and resistance. So if we break this channel, there's not that much support and resistance. And so this channel, really significant too. And I think we're going to hit the 13,500, and we're probably going to go there. And so you know that there's a resistance, big resistance at 12,000, but that's about it. After there, we usually never actually go that far. 12,000, and that's it. There's this thin air. And so this is really big. If we go to 13,500, we're going to be in thin air, really easy to fly. And so, well, unless you're an airplane, then you're just going to stop flying because you need air. But this is really bullish. I'm already saying it too long, probably. This is already getting annoying. But this is really bullish. You should buy in. And yeah. And so, on the daily time frame, this is an incredible buy. So this is really good. So this is what I think on Bitcoin. Okay, I'm gonna end the video right now. Okay, so with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And usually I say that we're gonna like just slap the like button, but this time I mean it. I have 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. For you, it might not be a lot because of other YouTube channels that you watch, 100,000, but 100 subscribers for me is a lot. And so if just half of you that watch my videos could just leave the like, just go and click that like button down below. It's free. And if you just click that button down below, and it will just add a like, it will spread my video to more people so they could see this amazing content. And if you can see this, and if you haven't already, please just click that subscribe button. And if you want to keep watching my videos, press that notification bell. That's what I want you guys to do. Those 3 things. So spread it, click it, and I don't know what the third thing is, but please, guys, click that thumbs up button, and thanks for watching my videos. So with that being said, I'll see you guys next video. Bye!